mental illness din, mga kabatas natin, ang drug addiction. It is a serious mental illness. So, pag titignan natin yon based on based on the Constitution, ang sinabi lang in case of serious illness. So, it may be mental, psychological, di ba? Mental. Or physical, health. Di ba? Well, health, mental health, physical health, body health. The Constitution does not actually make a distinction. Sinabi niya serious illness. Addiction is a serious mental illness. Di ba?